Have you ever wondered why your job application was rejected instantly or why certain ads keep following you around the internet? What if I told you that while everyone debating whether AI will replace job or something sensitive, the real danger is already happening right under our noses. In fact, there 68% chance you are being watched by AI right now, and that algorithm deciding your loan application, it might have made up its mind based on your zip code before you ever applied. Today we are diving deep into the dark side of AI that Silicon Valley does not want you to know about, the hidden threats that are already reshaping our world in ways that would shock you. By the end of this video, you will understand why experts are more worried about these invisible danger that killer robots. The invisible waters. Let's start with something that happening right now as watch this video. According to recent data from Gartner, 71% of employees are being digitally monitored, up to 30% from just last year. But here what nobody talking about, it's just about tracking your productivity anymore. Modern AI surveillance system are tracking email activity, meeting participation, key stalker, and even employee sentiment through communication platform. One study from Cornell University found that when AI monitor work, employee complaints increased by over 30% compared to just 70% with human oversight. But here the scary part, 61% of businesses now use AI powered monitoring system, and most employees don't even know they are being watched. In 2024, a major lawsuit was filed against Workday for using AI hiring tool that systematically discriminated against applicants based on race, age, and disability. The algorithm was making split-second decisions about people's futures, and it was based from one day. The sleeper call mode. Now here's something that should terrifying you, but almost nobody know about it. Sleeper call AI models. Imagine downloading what looking like a perfectly normal AI model, it working great for months, maybe even years, but hidden in its code is a digitally time bomb. What if I told you that a single comma change in an AI model could cause a trading boot to crash the stock market and we would not even know why? And this is not science fiction. Researchers have discovered that bad actors can tweak just a few thousand parameters in an AI model so it behave normally until it counter a specific trigger phase. Once that poisoned model entered the supply chain, every downstream application quietly inherits this digital backdoor, like genetic code passing from parent to child. Remember when a fake image of a Pentagon exploding briefly crashed the stock market in May 2023? That was just a taste of what possible when AI systems are compromised. The scary part, the attack happened just 4 days after experts warned Congress about this exact scenario. The bias epidemic. Let's talk about something that already affecting millions of people, AI bias, but not the observed kind anyone discuss. I am talking about the subtle invisible discrimination that bake into system you interacted with every day. An algorithm used on more than 200 million people in US hospitals was found to heavy favor white patient over black patient for medical care. The algorithm was not explicitly recites, it was using healthcare cost history as a proxy, but that matrix was inherently biased. Here what really disturbing, Amazon hiring algorithm systematically discrimination against women because it was trained on 10 years of resume that was predominantly male. In US court predicted twist as many false position of black, often 45% compared to white offenders 23%. Now think about this, if these biases exist in healthcare, hiring and criminal justice, where else might they be hiding? Your loan application, your insurance rate, your dating app match. But here the part nobody talk about, these are not bugs, these are features. The AI is working exactly as designed, learning from our biased part and amplifying into our futures. It like having a mirror that does not just reflect it or flaws but make them bigger and more permanent. The synthetic trust epidemic here where it gets really scary. Forget deep fake videos of celebrities. The really threat is deep fake relationship. AI can now clone your writing style, your stack habit, even your emoji preferences to create convincing bots that infiltrate your professional network. This is called synthetic trust laundering, and it happening right now. This AI can endorse product, question competition or steer office gossip while the real person sleep. But the time you realize what happened, your colleague may have already acted on false information. Families, thousands scammer clone a child voice and call parents claiming the child has been kidnapped, demanding Bitcoin payment. The voice is so realistic that parents fall for it ever where their child is sitting right next to them. But it goes deeper. AI system are starting to form aliens with each other without human oversight. Imagine a logistic AI model and a financial trading AI discovering they can improve their performance by sharing information. This solution work frame. So what can we actually do about this? The good news is that awareness is the first step and you are already ahead of 90% of people just by watch this video. But here what I really want to know, are you going to be someone who just worried about this problem or someone who actively fighting back? First, demand transparency. Second, diversify your digital diet. Third, develop digital literacy like your life depends on it. Fourth, support companies and politicians who prioritize human agency over algorithm efficiently. And finally, build human network that can't be faked by AI. Face to face relationship, phone call, handwriting letter, these analog connections become more valuable every day in our cynetic world. So here my question for you, in 5 years do you want to live in the world where algorithm know you better than you know yourself, or do you want to be a part of this resistance? The dark side of AI is not some dystopian future, is here, it's now, and it's making decision about your life every single day. But unlike in this movie, this is not about killer robot or AI overloads. It about subtle manipulation, invisible bias, and the gradual of human agency. The expert I caught today, they are sounding the alarm because they understand that our decision right now will determine whether AI serves humanity or the other way around. Before you go, I want to ask you, which of these hidden AI dangers surprise you the most? Drop a comment below. I read every single one and your site help me create better content. If this video opened your eyes of something new, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the technology that rephrasing our world. Share this video with someone who need to hear it, because the only way we fight back against invisible threat is by making them visible. Next week I am going to show you the exactly how to AI system in your own life and take back control. You won't take to miss it.